Types of function. Today I am going to discuss now types of functions. So first type I am going to discuss one function. So one function. So this is the definition. A function f a to b is said to be a one function or injunction if different elements of A have different image in B, then we say that this is a one function. That is, function f a to b is one, a is not equal to b, implies by fa is not equal to fb for all ab belongs to a, or either fa equal to fb implies a equal to b, then we can say that it is a one function. For example, here see here that through diagram you can learn through the diagram. So see here the diagram. Suppose here this is a set A and B two non-empty sets, and this is function f. F is a function. Suppose the elements of a set A x1, x2, x3. This is your domain, this is your domain, and this is your B is your codomain. A is your domain, B is codomain. Now, so see here, X has the image is y1, x2 is the image is y2, x3 is the image y3, and suppose one is there here y4. So see here, each and every element of a set A have image in B, and there is one correspondence is there. X1 image is y1, x2 image is y2, x3 image is y3. Then we can say that it is a one function. If the function is not a one, then we can say that it is a many one function. So this is your one function. This is your one function. So see here, one correspondence is there. So each elements of domain have image in set B, and only one image. See here, x1 image is y1, x2 image is y2, and x3 image is y3. If I will write here the another example, see here. Suppose this is a set A and here set B, and here x1, x2, x3, x4, and here y1, y2, y3. So here x1 image is y1 and x2 image is y2 and x3 image is also y2, x4 image is y3. So see here, so x2, here x1 image is y1, x2 image is y2, and x3 image is also y2. So this function is not a one function. Suppose I am taking here 4. So here x2 and x3 have the same image in B, y2. So that's why this function a to b function f a to b is not a one function. This function is called many one function. If it is not a one function, then it is called a many one function. This is a many one function. So here a one correspondence should be there. Here, see here, if the given function is not a one function, it means this is a onto function. See here, x1 image is y1, x2 image is y2, and x3 image is also y2. So this y2 have two here. A y2 have two image. x2 image is y2 and x3 image is y2. So it means this is a many one function. This is a many one function. Many one functions. Here many one function. A function f a to b is said to be a many one function if two or more elements of set A, here set A, two or more elements of a set A have the same image in B. Here A2 and A4 have the same image is B2. So this function A to B is called a many one function. It is not a one function. If f A to B is a many one function, if it is not a one function. So see here A2's image is B2 and A4's image is also B2. So this function is called many one function. See here A2 and A4, the two elements of a set A, means here domain A, of a domain A, A2 and A4 is a two different elements of a set A. But the image here, the image is B2. It means FA2 and FA4 have the same image equal to here B2. So this function is called many one function. So see here function x to y, here g is a function. See here x1 and x2, two different elements of a domain x, and x1 is not equal to x2, but fx1 is equal to fx2. fx1 is y4 and fx2 is also y4. So this function is also a many one function. If the given function is not a one function, it means the function is many one function.